Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. We often get questions from our customers when they first learn about the SOFC test system. Today, we will take a close look at the SOFC, what it is and how it works. Let's start with a popular topic, artificial intelligence. Currently, various AI products have significantly improved productivity and efficiency in both daily life and work. However, during AI training, the bottleneck is not just about the model and chips. Basic power supply is the core constraint. Relevant data shows that AI products are iterating and updating at an annual rate of 20%, with training costs accounting for as much as 40%. And the demands for power supply stability are becoming increasingly stringent. Traditional grid expansion and power capacity upgrades required huge investment and long cycles. At the same time, carbon peak and carbon neutrality goals impose strict environmental requirements on energy development. This creates a paradox: rapid growth in electricity demand on one hand, and low carbon constraints on the other. So, what's the solutions? That's where the solid oxide fuel cells SOFC come in. SOFC is essentially a power generation device that converts gas fuel into electricity through electrochemical reactions. Unlike traditional thermal power generation, it does not involve combustion and operation quietly. This equipment operates at temperature between 600 and 1000 degrees Celsius. This enables efficient conversion of electrochemical energy into electrical energy. It also supports reverse reaction, allowing the use of excess electricity during off-peak hours to produce and store hydrogen and other gases, achieving the bidirectional energy regulation. So, what makes the SOFC stand out? Let's break it down into 3 advantages. Strong fuel adaptability. It can utilize various fuels such as natural gas, biogas, and hydrogen. High power generation efficiency. Pure power generation efficiency can reach 60%. Combined with waste heat utilization for combined heat and power, the overall efficiency exceeds 85%. Environmental friendly. The operation is noiseless and can achieve zero or low carbon emissions, aligning with the carbon peak and carbon neutrality goals. Its working principle can be briefly summarized as follows. The cell is divided into a cathode and an anode. Oxygen ions migrate between the 2 electrodes through the electrolyte, while electrons flow through the external circuit to form current and output electrical energy. The high temperature, waste heat generated during the reaction can be recovered and utilized. Think of it as an ion sieves. Air goes in one side, fuel gas goes in the other, and efficient, clean power is generated. SOFC perfectly fits current energy and computing scenarios. For the power-constrained scenarios such as AI servers and data centers, SOFC can be deployed in a distributed manner, rapidly put into operation, and provide a stable power supply. It aligns with low-carbon development paths on the carbon peak and carbon neutrality goals with strong fuel adaptability. It can complement the renewable energy source like wind and solar to build a stable microgrid, addressing the intermittency challenges of green power. Take Bloom Energy, a leader in the industry, as an example. Its SOFC systems already powered global tech and business giants like Google, Walmart, and Pieces, and the banks and the hospitals with reliable, uninterrupted electricity. From a development perspective, in the short term, SOFC can serve as backup and primary power supply for data centers, addressing power supply gaps. In the medium term, SOFC can achieve mass production and cost reduction, enabling widespread application. In the long term, SOFC can become one of the core technology pathways for the global energy transition. To support the above technologies and application needs, Kiware offers a range of SOFC and electricity cell testing solutions, from benchtop single-cell test system to bench-scale short stacks, as well as stack and module testing for all scenarios. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more and discuss your specific testing needs, please feel free to reach out. See you next time.